Hello students, in last session from the chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry. Exercise 9.1. Up to the question number 5 completed. Now we discuss sixth number. Question number 6. See in your textbook on a page number 204. Whenever you see your e-learning session, please take your textbook with yourself. Sixth number. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. First of all, there is a 1.5 meter tall boy and another is a building. Let's draw as a line segment one building and second is 1.5 meter tall boy. To draw a figure, use a scale and pencil. As per our requirement, first of all, we have to draw a building. Suppose AB is building 90 degree to the ground level and boy 1.5 meter tall, CD which is 1.5 meter. Okay, now again boy stands vertically on the ground. Next thing is given 1.5 meter boy stands some distance from the 30 meter tall building. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The building is 30 meter tall. Mention in figure, building is 30 meter tall. Next, the angle of elevation from his eyes means from C. From C, the angle of elevation of top of building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. One time from C to A, which is line of sight, and from C, one parallel line to BD, line of sight and horizontal angle between them, it is called angle of elevation for the top of building A. Now the angle is increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Decide by you. Boy goes towards to the building as per our question says, so that now the position of boy is changed. Here the boy, suppose C dash, D dash, same distance CD, C dash, D dash, and here is the BE. Now from C dash, the angle of elevation becomes now 60 degree. First is 30 degree and the next is 60 degree. Okay? His point is C dash, same way BD dash is equals to EC dash, DD dash is equals to C dash. Figure is completed. Now write the description about the figure. In the figure, AB represents 30 meter tall building. A is top of building. CD is 1.5 meter tall boy. angle ACE and angle AC' are angle of elevation of top of building A is also perpendicular to each other, that is angle ACE is equals to 30 degree and angle AC' is equals to 60 degree. Now what we need to find? We need to find the distance he walked towards the building. Distance walked by boy towards the building is equals to, a boy go to D to D dash. D to D dash is equals to question mark. Here DD dash is equals to C, C dash is equals to BE is equals to 1.5 meter. Next thing is that is not 1.5. DD dash is equals to CC dash. CD is equals to C dash D dash is equals to BE is equals to 1.5 meter. Okay. Now what about next thing? Next thing is that BD dash is equals to C dash E. Completed. Height of building is given. Height of building AB is equals to 30 meter. 1.5 meter tall boy represent the CD. We need to find distance walked by boy towards the building means D to D dash. So that first of all EB is also 1.5 meter. From the figure AE is obtained by AB minus BE, where AB is equals to 30 minus BE is equals to 1.5. Subtract 1.5 from the 30, we get 28.5 meter, which is AE. Now first of all we have to use right triangle AEC dash. In right triangle AEC dash, use tan 60 is equals to its opposite AE upon adjacent EC dash. Now tan 60 is equals to root 3 AE. AE is equals to 28.5 upon EC dash remains as it is. To obtain DD dash, we have to subtract EC dash from the EC and we obtain CC dash. CC dash and DD dash both are equal. That's why EC dash is equals to 28.5 upon root 3 is not our final answer, so can't rationalize here. Remains as it is. Now same way, use another right triangle AEC. In right triangle AEC, use tan 30 is equals to its opposite AE upon adjacent EC, where tan 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3. AE is equals to again 28.5 and EC remains as it is. Now make EC as a subject. EC is equals to 28.5 root 3. Okay. Now finally, to obtain the distance walked by boy towards the building, which is CC dash is equals to total EC subtract EC dash, where EC is equals to 28.5 root 3 minus EC dash is equals to 28.5 upon root 3. Now take LCM. 28.5 into root 3 is the 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Now take 28.5 as a common. 28.5 into bracket 3 minus 1 upon root 3. 28.5 into 2 upon root 3. By rationalizing it, multiply it by root 3 and divide it by root 3. 28.5 remains as it is into 2. Now see in the question, value of root 3 is given? No, the value of root 3 is not given, so that our answer is in form of root. Upon root 3 into root 3 is a 3 into root 3. 28.5 and 3 cut is possible, so that 285 into 2, 3 into 10 into root 3. 95. Again by 10 cut is possible if required, or 95 2s are 190 upon 10 into root 3. 0 0 cut, 19 root 3. It is a question from your exercise 9.1 6th number, so that checking answer. In your book, answer is 16 integer 2 upon 3. 16 integer 2 upon 3. It is obtained by substituting value of root 3, but in the question there is no value of root 3 is given. 19 root 3 unit is meter, which is cc dash meter, but cc dash is equals to cc dash is equals to dd dash here is represent. Cc dash is equals to dd dash. Therefore, dd dash means the distance walked by boy towards the building, which is 19 root 3 meter. Write answer in sentence. Therefore, distance walked by boy towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. Hence here the question number 6 from exercise 9.1 is completed. Now we discuss next question number 7. Let's see the new number from exercise 9.1. Sixth number is completed. Seventh number. See the question on page number 204. From a point on a ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at a top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of tower. From a point on a ground, first of all, to draw a figure, use scale and pencil. First draw a ground level. From a point P on a ground, let's see the question. From a point on a ground, angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed on top of 20-meter high building. One is 20-meter high building. Suppose AB is 20-meter high building. The transmission tower AC fixed on 20-meter high building. AC is transmission tower. Next thing is given that the angle of elevation are 45 and 60 degree. From where? From a point on a ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower. The bottom of transmission tower is A and top of transmission tower is C. From a point P to A, line of sight, and PB is the horizontal, so that angle APB is the angle of elevation for the bottom of transmission tower. And same way P to C, is line of sight and PB is horizontal, so that angle CPB is the angle of elevation for the top of transmission tower. Both angles are given. The angle of elevations are 45 degree and 60 degree, 45 and 65 respectively. 45 is for bottom and 60 is for the top. Angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed on 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. We need to find the height of tower. Height of tower means AC. Assume that AC as a H. First of all, describe the figure. In the figure, AB represents 20-meter high building and AC is transmission tower, where A is bottom and C is top of tower. Okay, AB is equals to height of building given 20 meter. AC is equals to height of transmission tower is equals to H is equals to question mark angle APB is the angle of elevation of bottom A of tower from point P. That is angle APB is equals to 45 degree. Next, angle CPB is the angle of elevation of top C of tower from point P, that is angle CPB is equals to 60 degree. Now another thing is not given. We need to find height of tower. Height of tower means H from the figure BC is equals to AC plus AB, where BC is equals to AC is the H and AB is equals to 20. BC is H plus 20. First of all, find BP using right triangle ABP. In right triangle ABP, use 1045. 1045 is equals to its opposite AB upon adjacent BP, where 1045 is equals to 1, AB is equals to 20, BP remains as it is. That's why BP is equals to 20 meter. We need not to find BP, but BP is the side of triangle CBP, where we need to find H. H means the height of transmission tower. Now we use right triangle CBP. In right triangle CBP, 1060 is equals to its opposite BC upon adjacent BP, where the 1060 is equals to root 3. The value of 1060 is obtained from the table, where BC is equals to H plus 20 and BP is equals to 20. 20 multiplied with root 3, 20 root 3 is equals to H plus 20. Make H as a subject, 20 root 3 minus 20. Now take 20 as a common. 20 is equals to, H is equals to 20 into bracket root 3 minus 1. Here 20 into bracket root 3 minus 1 is the height of transmission tower. Unit is meter. Therefore, height of tower is 20 into bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, hence here question number 7 from exercise 9.1 completed. Now we discuss next 8th number. Let's see the new 8th number. See the question on a page number 204. Eighth number, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. We need to find height of pedestal. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. First of all, we have to draw a pedestal. Use scale and pencil to draw a figure. One ground level is there. Suppose BC is pedestal, is vertical with the ground level. Suppose point P is the point on a ground. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. B is the top of pedestal. Statue 1.6 meter tall. 1.6 meter tall statue stands on a pedestal. BC, the B is the top of pedestal. Next thing is given. From a point on a ground, let's take point P on a ground. From a point P on a ground, angle of elevation of top of statue is 60 degree. Top of statue, which is A. From a point P on a ground, P to A is line of sight and PC is the horizontal. It is the angle of elevation of top of the statue, given that which is 60 degree. Next thing is given, and from the same point means from the point P, angle of elevation of top of pedestal is 45. Top of pedestal is B. From P to B is line of sight and PC is the horizontal. It is the angle of elevation for the top of pedestal B. Okay. Now what we need to find? Find the height of pedestal. Height of pedestal means BC. BC is equals to, assume that BC is a H. We need to find H here. PC is not given, assume that as a X. First of all, write the description about the figure. In the figure, BC is pedestal where C is bottom and B is top of pedestal. AB is statue, height of statue is given. AB is statue where A is top and B is bottom of statue. AB is equals to height of statue is equals to 1.6 meter. BC is equals to height of pedestal is equals to H, and we want to find it, so that question mark it. Let CP or PC is equals to X. 60 degree is the angle of elevation. BPC is the angle of elevation. 60 degree is the angle of elevation, but for what? For top of statue. Is the top of statue is the angle of elevation of top A of statue AB. That is angle BPC is equals to 60 degree. Same way angle 45 is given. Angle BPC is the angle of elevation of top of pedestal or bottom of statue. As per our requirement, angle of elevation top of pedestal is given. Angle of elevation of top B of pedestal BC, that is angle BPC is equals to BPC is 45 degree. Okay. First of all, use right triangle BCP. In right triangle BPC 45, tan 45 is equals to its opposite BC upon adjacent PC. Tan 45 1, BC is a H and PC is the X. It is relation between H and X. X is equals to H. What we need to find? We need to find H only, height of pedestal. Mark as result number 1. Now use right triangle ACP. In right triangle ACP, use tan 60 is equals to its opposite AC upon adjacent CP. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. AC is a H plus 1.6 or 1.6 plus H. Not mentioned here, so that mentioned it. AC is equals to AB plus BC, where AB is equals to 1.6 and BC is a H, which is AC. 1.6 plus H and CP or PC is equals to X. Now we need to find H only, so that replace X with H. Here is the H, cross multiply it, root 3H is equals to 1.6 plus H. Shift right hand side H to the left hand side. Root 3H minus H is equals to 1.6. H is common, into bracket root 3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. That's why by making H as a subject we get 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. It is height of pedestal but is not our final answer. First rationalize the denominator. 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 multiply with root 3 plus 1 and divide it by root 3 plus 1. 1.6 as it is, root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1 are the factors of square of root 3 minus square of 1. 1.6 into bracket root 3 plus 1 as it is upon 3 minus 1. 1.6 into bracket root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now remove this point and we get 10 here. 2 8s are, so that our answer is 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter is the height of pedestal. In the question, we required only the height of pedestal. See the answer in exercise 9.1. 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Now write answer in sentence. Therefore, height of pedestal is 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Hence here 8th number is completed. In this session we completed question number 6, 7 and 8 from exercise 9.1. Whenever we meet in next session we discuss our new sum.